Hi everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to import a calendar file into the new Outlook. First, open Outlook and switch to the calendar view. Now, click on Add Calendar. If you don't see that option, look on the left side panel and select Other Calendar. Next, choose Upload from File. Then click on Browse and select your .ics calendar file, or simply drag the file into this window. After that, select the calendar where you want to add the events, and then click Import. Once the process is complete, open your calendar and you'll see that the events have been successfully imported. And that's it, you've imported your calendar file into the new Outlook. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more Outlook tips.